When you count on your vehicles for your livelihood, keeping them running smoothly is your top priority. Whether that's a semi-truck, a bus, or another commercial vehicle, you need steering components that are up to the job. At Monroe, we've been on the job for more than 100 years, delivering innovative, original equipment and aftermarket ride control solutions. And our new line of premium heavy-duty chassis components is no exception. Just like all Monroe ride control parts, our heavy-duty steering parts are designed to meet or exceed OE specifications for form, fit, and function. And that starts with the right materials for each application, like induction-hardened ball studs for strength and tough neoprene boots for durability. We also include features that ensure Monroe heavy-duty chassis parts can stand up to the hard miles and harsh conditions faced by heavy-duty vehicles. Our protective coating is a great example. It helps prevent the corrosion caused by water, salt, and road grime, which is a common cause of premature failure. Another example, both our tie rods and drag links include greasable sockets, so service techs can inject fresh grease during maintenance and extend service life. Since we know time is money in the repair bay, we also include features that simplify installation, like new castle nuts and cotter pins, so you're ready to roll right out of the box. Whether it's a semi-truck, bus, or other commercial vehicle, you can count on Monroe heavy-duty parts for efficient installation and long-lasting service life. For more information about our complete line of Monroe heavy-duty solutions, follow the Drive Heavy Duty social channels or find your part at monroe.com.